So yesterday we discussed rating bar and radio button. So now we will discuss on the next components. So first here I want to discuss about the images first. So how to add an images that we will add here. So in this, I want to display some of the images. So to display an image here now, so I'm taking this image. So there is a concept called image view. So I'm taking the first image view. So that I'm taking as a wrap content and wrap content. So then for that image also, we will give an ID. So ID that I'll take that ID as the IFG. Then source. So the image source. I'll give the image source from bitmap IC launcher. So for this now just I'll give some margin also. Then we'll discuss about the source where I given margin 10 dp. Right. So the images I'm accessing from here. So in RES, so there is a folder called bitmap. So from here, whatever the image, this default image I'm accessing. But okay, but I want to use my own image. So how can I upload my own image into this? So for that, I'll download some image. Like I need one icon. So something icons. Just I'll search from icons. So from somewhere directly I can go here. So from here, like I need some icon. So these are the different icons. So from here we will we'll go like here directly. In the Google, just will search images icon. So from here, now, let us say I want to download this. So I have downloaded this. But whatever we downloaded, that icon should be here. It is the very huge size. So that much of size we cannot use directly in this. So that what I'll do here, for that here now, I'm selecting one thing that is the app icon generator. That is the appcon.co. This will be the app generator. This will be help us to generate an icon. So this I'm taking here. So in this now, directly whatever the icon we downloaded, right? So that I'll upload this. This is the icon which we downloaded. So now upload it here. See here, click on generate. So once I click on generate, here it's generated here. Now open this here. So here in a download, that icons will be downloaded here. So let me open that. See, once I open here, now there is an app store, like even iOS people Play Store icon like this. So this is iOS folder, this is Android folder. In Android folder, now there are different sizes of images are downloaded here, HDPI, MDPI. So that different resolution of images. Why? I'll tell you, just you can copy this. So I'm from here, I'm copying this image and go back here. So in a bitmap, right click on a bitmap. Here you can paste that, paste. So this is the HDPI. So you can select HDPI. So here you can give the name, like I'm giving the name as the test. Just we are using for the test. So I'm giving as a test. See, one image is pasted here. Now, here instead of this here, you can change your own image, that is test. So I have changed it that test. Right, see, our own image has displayed here. Like similar, now we want to go here and next MDPI. This image, copy this, copy, and again go back here, and here you can paste that image. So now you can select here MDPI. So then here same name, we can give the same name test. So see, it is created as a folder, right? Similar way, here we will copy the XHDPI. So copy this, go back, and here you can paste that image. So here, test. Done. Next. So copy this. So here you can paste. So X, double X. Here, test. See, 4 images. Last image, one more last image is here. That is a triple X. So that also I'll copy and I'll paste in the same here. Paste. Double X. Right. Test. So total 5 images. The folder is created here. Let's open that one by one image. What is the difference? We'll see. So this is the 72 by 72 pixel. So MDPI means see this is high, MDPI is medium, 48 by 48, double like extra high. So that is a 96 by 96, double extra. So 144, triple extra 192 means based on the screen resolution. So based on the screen resolution, automatically this can take this place where it has to suitable, like whatever that mobile you open, so specific to that mobile it can open at the respective like that is right. Now for this we will write on a listener. So how to click that listener? I want to handle some action on that. So for that here now I'm handling binding dot. So img dot set on click listener. So set on click listener. For this, the basic listener we will use. So directly here I'm writing the toast. So toast dot make text. So this at the rate main activity, comma here now. Just you clicked on image, right? Image. Just I added the text as an image. Just our understandable click is working or not. That's why just added the finally dot show. Done. So now I'm running this. Now we will see this output. Then we can go to the next component. Just a minute, it's taking a little bit time to run this. but it is taking a little bit time. Yeah, so now I'm clicking this see now image, right? So this is working here. Then similar, there is a one more component is there, that is the image button. So means sometimes some of the places we will display the images on the top of the images, we will write some actions, right? So that's why that we will. Next is the similar, there is a one more component called image button. So I'm selecting that image button. So here, this I give the match parent, wrap content, and some ID for this. So that I'll give as a image button. Then for this also, we have to give an SRC, that is an image source. So the same image source I am given. Right, then some margin. See, this will be like on top of the button, the image will be displayed here. So that is here, right? Now, for this, we will apply the listener as well. So for this also, we'll use on-click listener only. So that we will write here, that is binding dot, binding dot. So image button dot set on-click list, right? Set on-click listener. In an on-click listener, now I want to write a toast. So that is a toast dot make text this at the rate main activity. So here I'll write that image button. So for understandable, be clicking on image button, right? So that's I'm writing there. Then toast dot length long dot show. Right. I'm running now this. Yeah. Yeah. It's launching. Now we can see it is launching. We will see that output here now. So now I'm clicking this one. So it is showing the image, right? So this is about the image. Then now here, I want to go with the next action here. So here, in between of this image and image button, I want some space, like some line, so then line separated. So for that here now, we will use as a view. So that is match parent. Height would be something. Then we'll give some background color. So once we'll give some background color, then only it will be visible as something I have given the color. Then I'll give some margin for that. See, for this, nothing in a Kotlin side, but just the separator between this, any of the elements, like you want some separator like that, we will use this, right? Next, one more component is there. That is, we will use that as a seek bar. So seek bar, match parent, wrap content, ID. So that is the seek bar, seek bar. So we'll give some margin for this. So I'm giving the margin as 20 dp. Done. So now for this, we will apply the listener. So for the seek bar, we will apply some different listener. So that is binding dot seek bar dot binding dot seek bar dot set on seek bar change listener. This is. So for this, now you have to write some different here. So that is the object dot seek bar dot object dot object colon seek bar object only. This is why it is not coming object colon seek bar dot on seek bar change listener. So within this on seek bar change listener, like this has some of the methods. So that methods we have to add here. So it has some predefined methods. One is the on start tracking. So where that tracking, like we will use that increase the brightness like that. So where start and where stop and what is the progress. So this we have to capture this. This is like this. Right here now, I want to capture the progress. To capture the progress here now, what I'll do here now, initially I'll create that where progress status. Initially, I'm thinking as a 0, right? Then here I'm assigning that. So toast dot make text. So this at the rate context here. So what is the progress? This progress. So means the progress, we are assigning this progress, right? That we have to check here. So that is the progress status, comma. So toast dot length long, so dot show. But whatever I'm predefined, I'm taking that I'm assigning, right? So then here, now for that, I'm assigning this progress value, progress status equal to whatever this progress is coming, right? So that we will assigning to this. So that I'm passing here. This means whatever that is coming, so that here it will show that. Now I'm running, let's see here. See, now I'm keeping this, it is closed. Why? So whenever this program is closed like this, here you can go on a lagcat. Here you can search. So here, what is the device is added that you can search here. Now you can put this as that is paddle. So always the error will start with the paddle exception name. So here you have to write that paddle. So here Kotlin on start tracking not implemented. On start tracking. Okay. In this, we have to remove this predefined methods. Otherwise, it cannot execute. That's why it is an error. So I'm removing that methods. Right now, well, let's see here. See now it is launched. Now it is. See maximum it is 100. So here see last event it will be last 100. But you want you can give that minimum and maximum values also. So for this now, here I'll give that min and max value. So in XML itself, we can give that. So here I'll give that min 20, max 50. So means user can select in between of the min and max only, means 20 to 50 only. You cannot select less than 20 or greater than 50. See, this is the maximum. I'm clicking in maximum position. This is 50. So minimum 20. Like this, we can select only these values. Right. So this is about this. Now, as of now, what we have completed means here, just here, see. I'm clicking on a design here in a design. So these all are the components here, like see here. From here, we completed text view, button, image view, switch. Right. Then in a text, only we completed the text view. These all are next topic we are going to discuss here in this button image view. Checkbox radio button, toggle switch. So in this chip and floating XML that is pending, that we will discuss later. And widgets, image, uh, only image, we not discussed anything here. Image view, view, we discussed that. Right. So in the layouts, we discussed some of the layouts. Like the from here, what one by one, all are the components we are discussing. So as of now, what we did, what are the components are there? That components we used and we click on that and we get some data that is done. But now I want to collect the data from user side. So I want to collect the data from user side. So just that I have to take the data. Like I'm asking that please enter your name, mobile number, email ID, password, like that. I want to collect the user data from user side. So that I have to collect and that I have to send, save somewhere, or I want to show that in a toast. So that is our next program, but that will start freshly on Monday. So that we'll see.
Okay, sir.
Okay.